Hi, I'm Greg Coil. I'm a Vice President for Operations for the YMCA of Greater New York. At the Staten Island Y, we've been focused on a couple of key priorities. First is our continued work in diabetes prevention, an important health issue in New York City, something that frankly has been very successful in the first year of operation in Staten Island. But in addition, we've really expanded the portfolio to include the Livestrong program for cancer survivors. And we continue to focus on expanding our Strong Kids card, to offer kids, particularly teens, a safe place to be. That's really probably our three big top priorities, but we're really known in the community for several other things, and that would include our work in after-school programming, where we offer almost 1,000 kids after-school operations from 3 to 6 every day during the school year, and early childhood at both our Broadway and our South Shore branches. And then lastly, we're frankly a leader in the community offering substance abuse prevention and treatment services in Staten Island. We've been offering an outpatient prevention and treatment clinic for over 32 years. And in particular, Staten Island needs this kind of a service offered by the Y, I would say, because we have one of the largest growing prescription drug problems in the city. There's probably two key areas that we've evolved in the last probably 6 or 8 years. One of them started about 3 or 4 years ago when we built a state-of-the-art teen fitness center. So to kind of meet the city and really the country's childhood obesity epidemic, we put our money kind of where our mouth was and expanded 6,000 square feet of fitness facility at our South Shore branch, specifically targeting young people. The equipment in there is interactive, it's fun, it's meant to get kids moving and have a place where they can be in our facilities exclusively at different times in the day. In fact, this is a big bone of contention with a lot of our adults who would love to be in the kids area, which we do, and it's actually morphed into something very nice. Families get together and participate in the Teen Fitness Center. So the best part of my job is probably, having an opportunity from time to time to see our real impact on members, in particular kids. But if I had to say it as a vice president, I think one of the bigger and most important things that I do, and probably the things I enjoy the most, is the staff teams I work with. That all kind of came together in our Strong Kids kickoff earlier in January this year. Where we had the kids from one of our Y After School sites at PS 57 perform. It was a choir group at 57, and the kids were fantastic, and of course, the crowd ate them up, and one young girl who even struggled to get through her solo was just, kind of buoyed by the audience into completing her song. But what was most, I think, impressive was the young man who was leading the choir. As you know, Staten Island has a lot of famous school-based choirs led by PS 22's choir. But this young man, who's a little younger, is probably in his first professional job. And as they were kind of being escorted out of the room to thunderous applause, I wanted to call this young man back up because, frankly, I think part of our mission and our work is community development. We often give people their first professional work environment, an opportunity to kind of get their feet wet. And he had done a tremendous job with the choir and made all of us feel very, very proud. And I would have to say those are the best parts of my day.